What's going on, guys? We are out here at Ford Fest, Holley Ford Fest, and behind me we have 5 genuinely beautiful retired police interceptor Crown Vics. We're going to be racing them tonight with Vaughn, Chelsea, and ED from the RTR team. And just going to go out there and rip it, doing 2 15-lap heats with a 30-lap championship race, and Alec is racing too. So it's going to be really fun, but other than that, we're doing some stuff during the day today, just ripping the Fun Haver Freedom Fox and trying to hang with Chelsea and Vaughn. It's super fun, and just enjoying Ford Fest. Sure. We're just gonna send it, honestly. And like, if you want to come inside, like on the top of the bank, like I think we should have a Joker lane available.
I'm three-wheel on that thing all the way through.
Yeah, but only you gotta, like, you can only come inside in the corner so there's no light, not on the straightaway. Because if you're gonna have the balls to go inside, it needs to be on the embankment so it looks good.
Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So not on the straightaway, but at either end you're allowed.
So cars have all same tire pressure. Yeah. That's why I asked. I think if we do any setup.
Hey, listen.
Yes.
This is a warm-up for Les Mullets because so you're racing Les Mullets in November. We'll all have Nitto tires, all have the same tire pressure then. But this is just this is how the Freedom 500 was. We didn't even check the tires on these cars. Like, if you guys want to adjust them, I guess you can, but I don't think it'll make a big difference.
Oh, you don't? Will they spin the tires, leaving the tire at all, or no? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
These are Crown Victorias.
Okay.
I mean,
and what do? Just put it in 2 and let it rip?
That's on you.
That's on you. What's the trick?
Oh, shit.
Get that on camera?
That was a medium wet.
You alright, man? Yeah, I'm fine. It'll bump out.
You for real just said that?
Yeah, it'll bump out.
I don't think this is though.
Doing it with like just talking. They used to see
Crash sensitive.
yeah, it's not gonna start.
Dude, I gotta say, Chelsea looking good. Cleetus falling way back, but Vaughn Gittin Jr. Oh, Cleetus so loud. Vaughn is like, oh, yeah. Look at this.
Middle of the turn.
Oh, yeah. Locked down the whole
You were holding it.
I
And I'm like, no.
It's just tire smoke pouring into my.
And then it
like that
shifted
old
and it
tire.
bogged, and I'm like, oh god! I started over rowing, and then he backed off, and we
Dude,
straight
the
down.
tires are so old, you can smell the crustiness. So when you were doing that, I was like, whoa. That was great. All right, guys. Tomorrow's gonna be great.
That's good.
Tire smoke kills COVID, don't forget. But we still need you to social distance. We need you to be wearing your masks. If you're in the grandstands, folks, you gotta put your masks on, or the